Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we've done an unboxing or that you've seen just my hands, so I hope that this is okay. I wanted to come on here and do an unboxing because I broke down and I ordered the Print Pressions Scribble Prints Co collab, and this box just came in. Super fast shipping. I have loved Kane and what he's doing with his company, and it's growing super fast. Anyways, I ordered this very recently. It came after he got back from, he sent everything out after he got back from Define and Flourish. So let's just jump into it. Very beautiful box, and smart boy, he put his address on the opposite side of his logo so he knows we can do unboxings. So opening up the box, first thing up is his business card that has the Print Pressions Marble logo. On the back is thank you for the support. Hope you enjoy the new items as much as I did, and where to find them. It's a white type font with black. A little hard to see in this lighting, I apologize for that. And then he did include a coupon code for 25% off the Annieplans printables. So, you know, you can do his, he is a official Annieplans printable. He does print Annieplans printables, so you can send it to him. So there is that code. They have the gray tissue paper wrapped up inside. And then we have all the items from the box. So I'm gonna pull them out and put the box on the side so we can jump in and look at the items. So I'm gonna save the best for last because so we can ooh and ah together over it. But yes, the rest of the items were, since part of the Scribble Prints Co collab, so they collabed. And this box was a little bit more expensive. It was $85, but I love his work and I loved it, and I needed a new personal wide TN. So as you will see in a moment, I'm gonna set this up for my personal wide, which I've been loving lately, and all the wonderful things that are in here. So the first thing we see are the pen loops. You have a pink and a marble pen loops, each with the Scribble Prints bow. I'm gonna open this up. I think. And they just have the sticky, nope. How does this work? Oh yeah, they have an adhesive back on them, so you can just put the adhesive. I think it just fits, it's like a leather-ish pleather pen loop, and then you can just slide a normal size pen in here. That's a pretty big thing, so definitely will be using one of these in my setup because I don't think the planner comes with a pen loop. Next up in here we have the washi, which I'm not, yeah, we will open. Oh, okay, destroying everything already. So I'm not going to roll the washi out for you, but it is super beautiful. I am going to unwrap them because I do plan on using them. So the first up is, did not unwrap this well. Where is the end of it? Okay. Is this skinnier? I think it's a 5mm washi with gold flecks. See there, you can see it. It's a light pink with gold flecks. It's super pretty. Love it. The second one is this washi, and it looks like it has the Print Pressions bow on it, which is very cute for their collab. Yes. So this does look like it has the marble background and the Print Pressions bow. And it is super lovely, and the bow is in gold foil. Next up, let's jump to these papers. So we have up on top is this, let's see, oh yeah, here, we'll lay it on here, is this clear acetate with the speckled dots pattern and the little bow. It just looks like a generic ribbon bow on top with gold foil on one side and the silver on the other, so you can choose which one you want. Then we have this marble paper on the one side. It's got a deeper marbly pattern on one end and a lighter marbly pattern on the other, and then the white bows on the pink background paper. Then oh no, is just destroying itself. Then we have the Scribble Prints bow on this paper in white with the pink background, and then on this side we have more marble paper. These are all glossy, they feel very cardstock, like cardstock. Then we have a vellum, and this one is just looks like a smaller version of the bows. The regular string bow with gold dots, very, very pretty. You could no, this is definitely one-sided, so you'd probably only want to use the gold side. Then you have another marble paper, and the back side is the pink string bows on the pink background. Then you have another piece of vellum, and it is also in the marble background, very, very lovely. Then you have this pink Scribble Prints bow on the pink background, and then you flip it over and you have the marble background with the little, it's got little bits of like white or bokeh print on it, very cute. So those are the papers. I'm gonna put those on the side. Oh, and then Scribble Prints Co. did include a kit. So I'm gonna open that up so we can look at it. Very cute. So I haven't used Scribble Prints Co. in a while, so I can't tell you if this is her current format or not, or anything like that. She included a set of headers, which is currently being washed out. In a gray, a light pink, a darker pink, and the darkest pink, like that. And they are a set of, like, you can mix and match, 7 I believe. Then she included these doodles, the girl herself in this box, one of her shopping, one of her with mouse ears, focus camera, and one of her drinking Starbucks. Very, very cute. Then you have your kit format. So the first page is the full boxes. Let's see if we can zoom you in a little bit. Okay. So you have the full boxes, you have a Rascal cart with some planner supplies, you have washi with pens and paper clips, you have a box, the cute box of roses, you have a girl holding her, it looks like an Erin Condren, the purse and a coffee, you have a TN over here, you have a desk setup, and then you have more roses, super pretty. You have your half boxes, quarter boxes, some labels, and some blank labels. Then you have your checklist over here, your habit trackers, your dots, your 3-heart checklist, your weekly checklist, your flags, and then your appointment labels. This part, you have your deco, and then you have a movie marquee, some canceled stickers, work stickers, some flags, a weekend banner, some squared off quarter boxes, and then just a bow paper clip. And then this one, you have another full box, your bottom washi, as well as your date covers. All of it super pretty. Might get back actually into planning using like a weekly, daily format. We'll see, we'll see. And then I'm trying to put this back in the bag. So I apologize for the blankness. And then the real star of the kit that I bought is this Print Pressions, the planner. It comes in this lovely dust bag with the Print Pressions logo on it, so you can store it. And then this is the Personal Wide Planner. It comes in white with the pink strings. It has the Scribble Prints bow embossed on the front in gold. The inside has silver rings. You have the white and gray crisscross pockets with white, gray, and pink strings. The crisscross pockets on the front and the regular straight pockets on the back. And yeah, I'm super excited to fill this planner up and have it be my baby. And yeah, that is all for this unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you got the Scribble Prints Co Print Pressions collab and what you thought of this. Please keep up with me on social media and see if I set up this planner. Maybe I'll do a flip through next. But yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Bye!